This is a 3-minute demo of how to use Restwise to monitor your state of recovery. Each day, you fill out a simple questionnaire. The Restwise software analyzes your answers and calculates your recovery score. Let's sign in and take a look. When you sign in, you come to a data entry screen that tells you if you need to enter information for that day. If you are behind by a day or two, it links you directly to the first day that you need to complete. If there is information from the previous day, you can copy it forward by clicking the Copy Data box. Now you can edit this data. When you click on a field where you enter a number, a list of tips pops up. For other fields, you can click the question mark to get tips. In the first two fields, you enter your pulse and your oxygen saturation level, which are easily measured with the Restwise pulse oximeter. Body weight is next. Note that oxygen saturation and body weight are not required, so if you don't have access to equipment to measure them, it will only affect the accuracy of your score very slightly. Next, you enter the number of hours you slept, and then you rate your sleep quality using a simple scale of worse than normal, normal, or better than normal. Using the same simple scale, you evaluate your energy level, your mood, and then on a 5-point scale, you evaluate yesterday's training performance. Next, you rate your appetite as normal or less than normal, indicate if you have any symptoms of illness, and whether or not you have muscle soreness. Then you assess how dark your urine is to get at your hydration level, and finally, if you have any comments that you want to enter to be able to view later about that day, you enter them in the comments box. That's it. This process usually takes all of about 30 to 45 seconds, and then it's time to see results. You do so by clicking the Submit and View Results button. On the results screen, you'll see your recovery score and a brief explanation of how to interpret it. Beneath that is a chart. It shows you a recovery score for the past 2 weeks. It is color-coded, so you can get a very quick read as to your state of recovery. You can change the date range if you want to look at a longer trend, and you can also display the individual score components that make up the total score. Alternatively, using the boxes on the right, you can do a line chart that shows the individual components against the total recovery score. Finally, you can email any chart to your coach or someone else simply by entering their email address and clicking Email.